Hi, my name is Maria, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about NuRal before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about NuRal supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is NuRal and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. NuRal helps to repair damaged neurons that may be impeding your memory due to age, injury, etc. It claims to do this in two ways. First, the ingredients in NuRal help to improve circulation, which allows for key nutrients to reach damaged neurons in the brain. Second, several ingredients in NuRal help to encourage the regeneration of cells, which forces the body to regenerate damaged neurons. NuRal also helps the body release important neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, which are directly responsible for cognitive functions like memory, focus, learning ability, critical thinking, and more. In fact, one of the ingredients in NuRal was shown to increase memory by 300% in adults with severe memory issues. Third, NuRal contains powerful antioxidants that help to combat oxidative stress in the brain, which further damage neurons. This provides the brain with a strong level of neuroprotection, which ensures that further damage and weakening of the neurons will not occur. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with NuRal supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test NuRal for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to NuRal work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, NuRal has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy NuRal, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that NuRal actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.